Hello everyone. So Google just announced Gemma 3 in preview during Google I/O. So let's go through this blog post. So following the exciting launches of Gemma 3 and Gemma 3 QAT, our family of state-of-the-art open models capable of running on a single cloud or desktop accelerator, we are pushing our vision for accessible AI even further. Gemma 3 delivered powerful capabilities for developer, and we are now extending that vision to highly capable real-time AI operating directly on the devices you use every day, your phones, tablets and laptops, to power the next generation of on-device AI and support a diverse range of applications, including advancing the capabilities of Gemini Nano. We engineered a new cutting-edge architecture. This next generation foundation was created in close collaboration with mobile hardware leaders like Qualcomm Technologies, MediaTek and Samsung's system LSI business, and is optimizing for lightning fast multimodal AI, enabling truly personal and private experience directly on your device. Gemma 3N is our first open model built on this groundbreaking shared architecture, allowing developers to begin experimenting with this technology today in an early preview. The same advanced architecture also powers the next generation of Gemini Nano, which brings this capability to a broad range of features in Google Apps and our on-device ecosystem, and will become available later this year. Gemma 3N enables you to start building on this foundation that will come to major platforms such as Android and Chrome. Gemma 3N leverages a Google DeepMind innovation called per layer embeddings that delivers a significant reduction in RAM usage while the raw parameter count is 5B and 8B. This innovation allows you to run larger models on mobile devices or live stream from the cloud with a memory overhead comparable to 2B and 4B model, meaning the models can operate with a dynamic memory footprint of just 2GB and 3GB. You can learn more about in our documentation. By exploring Gemma 3, and developers can get an early preview of the open model's core capabilities and model first architectural innovations that will be available on Android and Chrome with Gemini Nano. In this post, we'll explore Gemma 3N's new capabilities, our approach to responsible development, and how you can access the preview today. Key capabilities of Gemma 3N: engineered for fast, low footprint AI experiences running locally. Gemma 3N delivers optimized on-device performance and efficiency. Gemma 3N starts responding approximately 1.5x faster on mobile with significantly better quality compared to Gemma 3.4b, and a reduced memory footprint achieved through innovations like per layer embeddings, KVC sharing and advanced activation quantization. Many in one flexibility: a model with a 4B active memory footprint that natively includes a nested state-of-the-art 2B active memory footprint submodel. Thanks to math format training, this provides flexibility to dynamically trade off performances and quality on the fly without hosting separate models. We further introduce mix and match capability in Gemma 3N to dynamically create submodels from the 4B model that can optimally fit your specific use case and associated quality and latency trade-off. Stay tuned for more on this research in our upcoming technical report. Privacy first and offline ready local execution enables features that respect user privacy and function reliably even without an internet connection. Expanded multimodal understanding with audio. Gemma 3N can understand and process audio, text and images and offer significantly enhanced video understanding. Its audio capability enable the model to perform high quality automatic speech recognition and translation. Additionally, the model accepts interleaved inputs across modalities, enabling understanding of complex multimodal interactions. Improved multilingual capabilities. Improved multilingual performance, particularly in Japanese, Korean, German, Spanish and French. Strong performance reflected on multilingual benchmarks such as 50.1% on WMT 24++. Unlocking new on-the-go experiences. Gemma 3N will empower a new way of intelligent on-the-go applications by enabling developers to build live interactive experiences that understand and respond to real-time visual and auditory cues from the user's environment. Power deeper understanding and contextual text generation using combined audio, image, video and text input, all processed privately on device. Develop advanced audio centric application including real-time speech transcription, translation and rich voice driven interaction. Here's an overview and the type of experiences you can build. build responsibly together. Our commitment to responsible AI development is paramount. Gemma 3N, like all Gemma models, underwent rigorous safety evaluation, data governance, and fine-tuning alignment with our safety policies. We approach open models with careful risk assessment, continually refining our practices as the AI landscape evolves. Get started. Preview Gemma 3N today. We are excited to get Gemma 3N into your hands through a preview starting today. Initial access available now. Cloud-based exploration with Google AI Studio. Try Gemma 3N directly in your browser on Google AI Studio. No setup needed. Explore its text input capabilities instantly. On-device development with Google AI Edge for developers looking to integrate Gemma 3N locally. Google AI Edge provides tools and libraries. You can get started with text and image understanding generation capabilities today. Gemma 3N marks the next step in democratizing access to cutting-edge, efficient AI. We are incredibly excited to see what you will build as we make this technology progressively available, starting with today's preview. So you can explore this announcement and all Google I/O 2025 updates on io.google starting May 22. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.